Welcome back my YouTube channel, Old COIN ZEE Collection. Today's video, we're turning our focus to a modern yet intriguing coin, this coin 2016 D. Lincoln Memorial 1-cent coin from the United States. The Lincoln cent has been a staple in American currency since 1909. Designed to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, it has seen many design changes over the years. However, the coin minted in 2016 with the D mint mark from Denver continues the modern version of the Lincoln Memorial reverse. Introduced back in 1959, this coin may seem ordinary at first glance, but collectors know that even recent issues can hide remarkable variations and valuable errors. The 2016 D cent is no exception. While millions were produced, only a small number exhibit rare traits that dramatically increase their value. The obverse, or front side, of the coin displays a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner. His initials VB are etched subtly beneath Lincoln's shoulder. Above Lincoln's head, the word Liberty is placed to the left, and the year 2016 is on the right, along with the D mint mark indicating it was struck at the Denver Mint. On the reverse, we see the iconic Union Shield design, which replaced the Lincoln Memorial design in 2010. The shield features 13 vertical stripes representing the original colonies, topped with a horizontal bar symbolizing federal unity. The inscription 1 cent is displayed boldly across the center, while United States of America arcs around the top. Beneath the shield lies the motto, E pluribus unum. Though this coin is widely circulated, collectors hunt for versions with specific errors, such as double die obverse, off-center strikes, and misaligned dies, that can significantly boost its market value. The 2016 D. Lincoln cent has been found with several such errors, making it a thrilling subject for numismatists. Among the more desirable finds are double die errors where the letters in Liberty or the date 2016 appear slightly doubled when viewed under magnification. These coins can command much higher prices in the market, especially if the doubling is strong and visible to the naked eye. Another rare variant comes from off-center strikes, where the image on the coin is misaligned. The degree of misalignment greatly affects value. Coins that are 5% off-center might be modestly valuable, while those that are 50% or more off-center can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Mint state condition is also critical. Coins graded MS65 or higher by professional grading services like PCGS or NGC are more valuable, especially if they have full red color with no brown or dark spots. These grading factors help collectors and dealers evaluate quality objectively. Now, let's talk about value. While most 2016 D. Lincoln cents in circulated condition are worth just face value, 1 cent, certain rare error coins or coins in exceptionally high mint state condition have sold for significantly more. In one extraordinary case, a 2016 D. Lincoln cent with a dramatic and rare minting error fetched a jaw-dropping $2 million at a private auction. This was due to a combination of rarity, mint error, flawless condition, and strong collector demand. Though such finds are incredibly rare, they remind us that even a humble penny can be a hidden treasure. It's important to distinguish between common examples and rare variants. A standard 2016 D penny pulled from circulation won't make you a millionaire, but paying close attention to detail and knowing what to look for can turn everyday pocket change into serious value. Error coins with strong provenance and verification from top grading companies are always in higher demand. Collectors should also be aware of counterfeits and doctor coins. Some coins may appear to have errors, but are actually manipulated outside the mint. Buying from reputable dealers and getting expert authentication is always advised when investing in coins of potentially high value. For those interested in collecting modern Lincoln cents, 2016 D is a great year to begin with. It's readily available, offers exciting error possibilities, and can be a rewarding entry point into U.S. coin collecting. Plus, The stories behind these modern coins continue to evolve as new finds are discovered by hobbyists and experts alike. Storage and preservation play a vital role in maintaining value. Keeping your coins in acid-free holders or coin slabs protects them from environmental damage and handling wear. Always avoid cleaning coins, as this can significantly reduce their market value. For educational purposes, always consult updated resources like the Red Book, a guidebook of United States coins, online coin forums, or attend local coin shows where experts often share first-hand insights and show examples of rare finds like the 2016 D-Cent with unique characteristics. In conclusion, this coin 2016 D Lincoln Memorial 1 cent coin history.